before making this soup, take dried shiitake mushrooms, wash them well, and soak for 6-8 hours in cold water in the steel pot, the same one that you will make the soup. Cover it with the lid. Cook them whole. Add salt or herbal seasoning salt at the very beginning of the cooking. The next day, you will see that water became dark as all juice from shiitake mushrooms went into the water. Don't throw it away. Use it for making your soup. Bring it to a boil. Reduce fire and cook mushrooms for 1 hour, and then add the basmati rice. The mushrooms are ready when it's soft, including the middle stem. In 10 minutes after you added basmati rice, add 2-4 large sliced potatoes into the soup. Mix it with a spoon. In 10 minutes after you added basmati rice, add chopped onion and ginger. If you want to have more rich flavor, add onion at the end of cooking. The 10 minutes before turning off the stove, add carrots and cilantro. The soup is ready. And when the soup is ready, put 1 mushroom on the plate and rest of the mushrooms put in a separate plate. The bouillon from the shiitake mushrooms will make this soup taste heavenly. This is a simple, delicious, and healthy soup recipe for those who want to lose weight.